How to change ChatGPT's voice setting. First of all, simply open your ChatGPT application. You can also use ChatGPT from the browser if you don't have the application installed. Now once you're on the app, this is the interface, and after that tap the two horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the side menu. After that, simply tap on your username or profile icon, which is at the bottom of the menu. Simply tap on here. Then simply scroll down and select on voice. You'll find it under notification. Simply tap on voice. Now here you have a lot of option of sound that you can try. If you want a different one, you can simply slide over just like this.
Hey there, how's your day going?
And you can hear a brief preview of their tone. You can simply slide the quality of sound that you like.
I got a really good feeling about us teaming up. How can I help?
And just go back and the changes will be saved. Now if you go there and you can see the mode Juniper is activated and you'll hear this sound in your entire history. You can always change this back by again just sliding. And that's it with the video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.